A free CLI agent sounds like a stunt until you look at the stack. Parallel published a recipe that combines Pi, Ollama, Gemma 4, and the free Parallel Search MCP into one local workflow. It is the same shape we care about in the current setup. Coding agents stay flexible, web context arrives through MCP, and model execution can stay on your own machine. For conductor users, the local first angle should feel familiar. Conductros.com is about pairing a machine and managing agents from the web while execution stays local. This video breaks down what Parallel actually built, what is source-backed, and where the rough edges are. The source is a Parallel post from April 24th. The tweet says they built a completely free CLI agent with BadLogicAIM's Pi agent, Ollama, Gemma 4, and Parallel's new free web search MCP. The official blog turns that into a concrete build, a one-file terminal app called Brief. You type a topic, it fetches what happened recently, and it prints a short morning coffee summary with sources. There is no demo video in the post or the article, so the honest video is not a fake screen recording. The proof is the blog, the docs, the GitHub repos, and the official source screenshots. The stack is deliberately small. Pi is the agent harness. The Pi repo describes it as an AI agent toolkit with a coding agent CLI, LLM API, terminal UI, web UI libraries, Slack bot support, and VLLM pods. Pi starts minimal: read, write, edit, and bash. MCP support comes from the Pi MCP adapter repo, which is built to be token efficient. Ollama is the local runtime. The blog points Pi at an OpenAI-compatible Ollama endpoint on localhost. The models are Gemma 4 variants. Parallel Search MCP supplies the web layer. Its docs describe two tools, web_search for current search inside an agent loop and web_fetch for clean markdown from specific URLs. The setup is the useful part. First, install Pi. Then install MCP support with pi install npm:/PyMCP adapter. After that, add a .mcp.json file in the project. The Parallel server entry is named Parallel Search. The URL is https://search.parallel.ai/mcp. The direct tools list contains web_search and web_fetch. That turns those two MCP tools into first-class Pi tools instead of hiding them behind a proxy. The article says this costs roughly 300 to 600 tokens of system prompt overhead for the pair. Then Pi is pointed at Ollama through the global models file using localhost port 11434/v1, the OpenAI completions API type, and the Gemma 4 model ID. The CLI they ask Pi to build is intentionally tiny. The command is brief, followed by a topic. It supports flags for recency, bullet count, and JSON output. The implementation plan has 3 steps: search, summarize, print. Search uses the official Model Context Protocol SDK with the streamable HTTP client transport. That matters because the transport handles the initialize handshake, session headers, and server sent events. Then the CLI calls web_search with the topic and recency objective. The local model does not call tools. It only receives the search results as text and returns a tight summary. Finally, the app prints bullets with numbered sources or emits structured JSON. That separation is the trick: orchestration in code, summarization in the local model. The best part of the post is that it does not pretend the local stack is magic. Parallel lists the failure modes. Ollama's tool call parser produced errors, and the author had to ask Pi to continue. Late in a session, the model's thinking stream sometimes collapsed into repeating the same token, and a fresh session fixed it. Some sessions went down the wrong path and got stuck. The fix was not a bigger dashboard. It was a better spec, with exact packages found through Parallel Search. The post also calls out a real local model behavior. Smaller models may avoid looking things up unless the prompt explicitly tells them to use the Search MCP and pull current documentation. That is why this announcement is bigger than Pi. The Parallel Search MCP docs position the server as drop-in web search and content extraction for any MCP-aware model or client. The free search announcement names tools like Cursor, Claude Code, OpenClaw, Hermes Agent, and OpenCode. The docs also include install paths for clients such as Claude Code and Codex CLI. So the real product shape is not one new agent. It is a common web context layer that can sit next to many coding agents. If your agent can speak MCP, it can ask for current sources. If your model runs locally, the expensive part can stay off the hosted API path. The takeaway is simple. This is not a finished product launch with a glossy demo clip. It is a practical recipe for cheap local agent work. Pi gives the harness. Ollama gives local inference. Gemma 4 gives a capable open model. Parallel Search MCP gives fresh web context without an API key for light use. And the same pattern maps onto the current local agent setup, including conductor at conductros.com. Pair a machine, keep work close to the metal, and let different coding agents operate through shared interfaces. The links to the Parallel blog, the MCP docs, Pi MCP adapter, and Ollama are the sources to keep open while you test it.